Turn off power to the outlet being replaced at the service panel. Confirm that the outlet is off with a circuit tester. Remove the cover plate screw and cover. Then remove the 2 screws holding the old receptacle into the box. Pull out the old outlet, being very careful not to crack the old wiring, gently extending it to give yourself access to the wires. Disconnect the old outlet. Some old boxes are tight, so the new GFCI must be test fitted by gently pushing the wires back and ensuring the new box will fit. If this doesn't, a new, larger electrical box will be needed. Gently fold the wires back into the box, pressing on the new outlet. Screw in the box to fasten. Test the outlet, pushing reset to turn it on, and the test button to shut it off. Then reattach the cover plate and add the no ground sticker.